What's up YouTube? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video we're going to learn how to take a screenshot on your MacBook. So there are two types of screenshots you can take. First is the complete screen, and the second option is the small part of that screen. For the first option, to capture the complete screen, click use Shift Command and 3. That way you're going to have a complete picture of that complete screen. For the second option, choose Shift Command number 4 and you will get this kind of a mouse, and by that choose a specific part of the screen and capture it. That way you can have both the options. So this is the complete picture you just took, and the second one is the part of that screen. So that's it for today's video. Keep visiting Tyke Schooling and leave us a comment.